You know what happened? After how many months, nga pa nagbibiro ta, to no avail. You know ang nangyari? One time, DJ gan mata nga robbers, nag-rock naman na. Buti na lang, na-caught on camera. On na, CCTV camera. Amon tinakita na, the bank robbers were there. Kasama DJ Ubing nga nakita. Nga nakaugam ti Panto. And one of them already. Okay? Vicarious traumatization. In dealing with them, in communicating with them, naku, inabsorb na magtulog siya pamati na. Nga nagbalindan nga, pareho. Kaya sabi ko, yung sinabi ni Brother Eric kanina, baka may sakay ito nga mamumunto. Tak na din yung ubing nga may ibaga. Naahala kayo. Instead nga, you are there, reaching out and bringing them to Christ. You were there, you were reached out, and you were brought out of what supposed to be is our target or our objective. See? Vicarious traumatization. Masukatan niya, hindi siya panagkitang bitiman. I know of many friends like that. Na-expose na lang kasi, sabsabahan nila. And you do not even know how they think of it already. And these are things that we would like to be careful about. See? And when you experience, when you start to know the red flags of compassion fatigue, this is where you will see either emotional exhaustion, reduced empathy, okay, with the empathy, right? And then there are physical symptoms. What are these things? Okay, nakita na ibaga kong tatayan. Becoming less sensitive to others' struggles and emotionally withdrawn, and having headaches, and then muscle tension. You see? So, hopefully, by showing all of these things, you will become aware of it. Okay? And then, what else? The symptoms and warnings. Other symptoms or warnings is decreased satisfaction. Taong nakakaano pa. A sense that your work is no longer what? Meaningful. Wala ka magaling na. That you are not helping enough. And increased irritability. Okay? Increased irritability. Nalulid sa level. That's why, very important nga, dati ko natin yung you have also to be cared for. Because there's what you call as caring for the carers. Uy, ano mangyari kadak data? Napinsaan. I have strong faith in God. Kaya data. You see? Of course, you have all of those things, right? And it helps naman. It helps to have those perspective. In fact, maganda yun. May buffer ka, di ba? May buffer ka. But human as you are, sometimes, tama, hindi ko natin yung you are vulnerable. Remember, nga haangin nga what we are going to do, going to the school, is not just as easy as going there and giving feeding program or ano ko na diyan, punong information material. But look at it this way. We are there and there is a battle raging. At daka-ada ni tanim. Yan. Kahit na nga mangdan. And he does it very cleverly. That sometimes, if we are not so careful about it, there is what we call as casualty. May the Lord protect us as we go there. See? That's the reason why kasapulan tayo be self-care. Tamay may salang tibagin tayo ang kaya. Right? We only have one head, two pairs of hands, and all those things. You cannot say that Anong sandali ako? Kasi ang ulo ko eh. Meron akong spare na ulo sa bahay. Hindi. Di ba? Iisa lang yun. Iisa lang ito. I mean, isa lang na piece ito. Okay? You cannot just go and say, I have to replace it with another. Because why? That's why, ito yung self-care ang kailangan natin. Okay? It is not saying na you become selfish. Right? Ito na yan. But, it is what? Essential. Kasapulan ni John Carosa. Kasapulan. Now, when you take care of yourself, you are better equipped to take care of others. Tama? If your body is well taken care of, all the more that you become effective. Tama? All the more that you become energetic to do the things that you are going to do. I have been in the siguro bibilangan ko titawag ko yun. Amo pa man, habang tumatanda ka, doon ka na nagbibilang. Nung bata pa tayo, wala lang, di ba? Parang ano lang yan. Pero habang tumatanda ka na, binibilang mo na. I have been in the counseling industry for over 32 years. Okay? And I just wondered how I was able to stand up despite all of those that I have been listening to. The stories, the horror stories. Ay, grabe basta sini. Ada ti horror, ada ti action, ada ti drama, ada pa comedy. Grabe ti comedy. Yung may talagang, nagkatawa ka nung sometimes, di ba ko, kung natutuwa ka sa sinasabi niya o nakakatuwa yung mukha niya. Kasi I have some people na baka pwede niyong mapit ito yung mga ganun. Like, may ano sila, huwag na natin sabihin, overactive, ganun na lang. Okay? There's what we call as, I have a client kasi na bipolar. No? Okay? Ada ka dyan tayo na very active. Dami dyan tayo na very. At the time na in my office, super active siya. To the extent nga, i-demonstrate na ako niya, naramila na. So, yun ang comedy noon. Okay? Meron ding happy ending at meron ding tragedy. Ayan. But you see, when you take care of yourself, doon lalabas na you are better equipped to take care of others. Okay? Kaya kailangan natin ang self-care. Alright? Sabi na ni Brother Erito, you cannot give what you do not have. That's the reason why we are going to be equipped. Kasi, naapang kay Jay na parparehong gayang di Jay. Diripig na ang TOB. Pangkalang Jay, sangsangin kayo maduwa. Okay? Tapos sasabihin pa ng bata sa'yo, Ma'am, ate, huwag ka na umiyak. Kaya mo yan, ate. Diba? Okay ka lang ba, ate? See? So if you are not, your cup is empty when you go there. Talagang pareho na kayo. Tapos, yun yung sinasabi ko na masabali ni Jay perspective. Baka pareho na kayo na nawawala. Mapagpukaw. Ala, saan na nga? Hindi man naman tayo dito sa nawawala yung isa. Tapos pala, pumunta na pala sila sa kung saan-saan. Diba? Kasi sinabi nung estudyante na, doon na lang tayo natin kasi mas maganda nung si Kaman, naisurot ka. Okay? See? Self-care. Important thing. So nga, kasi nakaubig ni Rupak na I have self-care. So, self-care is crucial for volunteers. Okay? Crucial. As it directly influences the quality of care provided to others and prevents negative consequences for both carers and those that they assist. Okay? Nga tanong, imayak nito nga, awit ko ani di jay problema is estudyante jay school ni. Okay? Ya dami tinga akatsad. Self-care is very important. Self cannot be, right? Self-care. And another one is that nobody does it better than you. It has to be intentional. Intentional means talaga ka, you have to do something. Make an effort to do it. Right? Make an effort to do it. Mahirap namang hintayin pa natin si Brother Eric saka si Brother So do something else. Okay, about ourselves. Because nobody knows ourselves better than us. Di ba? Dati makamo, di ba? Marigna na pa yun, na kayo katadagan, hindi rignaan nyo. Although makikita dyan rin pa naman minsan, di ba? But so many of us, kaya natin itago, di ba? Kaya natin itago. Okay, yan ako. Pero, ganun sa loob. Okay? So, it is intentionally engaging in habits and strategies. Yun. Sir, wait, adagati habits mo and strategies mo. Bro, anahay na di dyan. Ayun na, nagsimple lang ka din. Kaya na ito. And it will allow you to stay emotionally balanced, energized, and resilient. Okay? Kung na siguro, is-isa mag ito eh. Nag-medicate mo? No! I have been through a lot. Okay? Name it. Kaso ko naman naman doon, no? I have been through a lot. Okay? And as you have also been through a lot. Ano man pinaglablabas tayo? Pero the importante dito, you have to engage intentionally in habits and strategies. Nga kwa, negative habits and strategies. Ang nga kwa, you know, it's something naman na beneficial to you. Okay? It's beneficial and advantageous. Okay? So, una na is physical self-care. Ano ito? Regular exercise. Ay, kasi lang gaya. Wala. Pero there are others that you can do. Because once that you are engaged into very, very intense what do you call this? Intense conversation with people who are hurting, who are in pain, who are undergoing difficulties and challenges, that seemingly the world is, they are carrying the world, talaga it will take a toll on you. Hanap to mamas daon, after 2 weeks, nga napang kayo dyan, ada kayo iti na trangkaso or oo, trangkaso or ano nga mo, no? Imbaga na lang ang trangkaso, hanang ako no, I will not be surprised and you will not also be surprised. That's the reason why we have to look into your physical. Kasi the first na talagang kukunin niyan is it will manifest through your physical. Dati-dati, 80 kilograms ka. Ngayon, magiging 70 na. Na hindi mo ano. Diba? Alright? Yun. So, regular exercise. What other exercises do you know? We will do that now. We will have that afterwards. And then maintaining a nutritious diet are vital for overall well-being. Imagine kung regularly makan. Of course. Siyempre, whatever you take in is going to be absorbed by the body, right? Oh, so if you take in things that is not helping, kanya energy, kanya the energy, then it will not help. See? Physical care impacts energy levels and resilience. And at the same time, we have what we call as emotional. This is one thing very, very important also. Okay? It involves what? Recognizing feelings. Okay? Recognizing feelings. Now, when you go there, as you listen to all those stories, and then it will put an impact on you personally. Hamo nga iyaw awat mo dyan. Just sit down a bit and try to say, wow, nadagsun di dyan. Name it. Okay? I-name mo. Try to identify what those feelings are. Okay? Kasi no mo ma-identify ni Jai, you will come to find out nga, kumawawa ng tibagi. Wala akong mga ganun, right? So, sit down for a while and identify what you are feeling. Is it really care? Is it, empathy? Is it hurt? Or is it, there are other feelings like anger or what? See? So, recognize those feelings. And as you recognize those feelings, you will come to realize nga, wow, I have to allow space for what? Reflection and processing. So, adadi ko natin yung journaling. Right? May importante diyan, mayroon din. Especially no, ang mga surat. Hindi ka nga may surat niya, surat. Maybe, in simple words, dito ko natin yung diary. Okay? Write your thoughts about it. Never mind nga wrong spelling or wrong grammar. Hindi importante dyan, itatanga ang daw. Napang kami dyan, eskwelahan. Nakasaog ni blah blah blah. Grabe hindi nariknak na sakit di ba? Nupay kasta. Kasi ikaw magaling itinupay kasta. When you say journal, do not just write. Okay? Dapat apang kay point nga, apang kay point nga, nupay kasta. Wala na dyan. Tapos isabit mo yung bombo radyo, di ba? Okay. So, maganda yung magsulat. Okay? While you are pouring your thoughts, your feelings, your emotions in there. Okay? Or, mabalimot nga, you have a plan. Yan. Magkapay, kanayan niya, natisibay ko, and those things. Kasi you have to know how to deflect it. Okay? Because there are so many people I know. Gagato tayong absurd na di jay. Sumabag kayo na dyan sa awang kabasol-basol na. Pinagtaran na. Which is not good, right? So, having a pet means you are going to pour out. Mas sense DJ aso actually. And I think you are reading naman what the supernatural kunamon. Ano supernatural extra sense nga malignan di aso in musa, di ba? They know whether you are having, you are having bad times. Okay, they know. Paday kasi ulo na having a pet. And of course, healthy habits. Okay, pag-usapan tayo after that later on. Okay? So, one of the things that I usually do for physical care, okay, is having what they call as deep breathing. Ganyan na pa kayo dyan, kung rumar kayo ito, bigay ba, sobrang nervous mo, sobrang tinanan mo, nadagsan, diba? Nadagsan, tirik na, am I right? Okay? Kakaroon mo agad dito nakasaon, nadagsan, di istorya na. Go to a place, a space, yeah, you can at least spend 5 to 7 minutes. Nanti arabi doon dyan. Just have deep breathing. Okay? Sige, parasin naman niya. Inhale, go. Ayun, marami sa inyo ang hindi marunong. Okay? Hindi. Scientifically, sinasabi nila na ano pala. I was thinking of that lately. Hindi pala, yung sana deep breathing. Actually, nakakaano rin pala. Okay? It is medically and scientifically helpful. Alright? Scientifically. Why? Because not only is oxygen being brought to the brain, okay, to refreshen it, okay, but also the lungs will be expanding, right? Ma-expand yung lungs mo to the extent nga, because alamin ng tinatawagan kata, we are only using 1/4 of the use of our lungs when it could have been used up. Okay? Ganon. Now, when you inhale, gaya, sometimes wrong gaya, nararamin mo tayo. We inhale through our mouth. Which is wrong. Panasin nyo ka din. Di ba? Tirik ng bita, ag-urong ka, di ba? Wala na dyan, right? The mouth is not designed for inhalation. The mouth is designed for exhalation. Ganon. So when you inhale through the nose, why is it tapno na apang kay dyan, apang the nose, okay? It will provide a better purpose for the nose and the mouth. No, ang exhale kagaya, hanggang dyan, kung pala dyan, no? Tatlo, ang balin nga, calming effect, inhalation, and no, exhale ka, kasta ka nga, simple, ayun, okay, ano? Whistle, ayun, whistle, okay? Can we do it? Inhale through your nose, go. Yan, and then you hold both, and then, kung i-whistle mo na lang, mabalik mo. Now, you will not experience it like this time, pero as you do it, you will find calmness and relaxation as you go. Okay, especially now. Now, sige. I'd like you to, let's have an exercise. When it's exercise, I'd like you to just let go of it. Right? At imagine kayo, experience yung inikalman or the last week nga nakaumutan nyo, nag-umut kayo, or naupay kayo, or di ba ganon, okay? Nakasakitan nakon nyo, or whatever, ganon, okay? Pero sa panunod nila, right? Now, as you think of that, what you do now is, I'd like you to manage it. Okay? Manage that feeling, or that thought, right? Okay? Okay, dito gayo, relax it, dito gayo, and then try to inhale. Ready, go. Then hold, and then exhale through your mouth. Okay. What you do now is, at itdug DJ exhalation, ha? Right? So 4 counts DJ inhalation, right? And then 4 counts nga i-hold you by, and then at least 5 or 6 counts nga exhale. Okay? Can you do that? Let's get ready. Go. Inhale. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then hold. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then exhale through your mouth. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, again, do it. Inhale. Hold. Exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now, as you do it now, it becomes more relaxed. So, what you do, DJ, exhalation you until 7. Right? Okay, inhale, go. Hold. Exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4. Inhale. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold. 2, 3, 4. Exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. Now you know, di ba? Yes, yeah. So when you feel like it's heavy, try to go to a place. Okay, at least 5 minutes, 3 to 5 minutes, okay, diaya. Okay, you would not know you are able to take and gain control of what you feel and what you think, right? No, scientifically nga and research-wise, napalasan na dyan. And that's what I do. Nagment kay Agnes ko pa. Napinpintas kay Agnes ko, and then hanap na yung manakti, kanay nga nabanod. Okay? Hanya kanay nga nabanod. Okay? So inhale, exhale. Right? Now, what you do, another one is, physical care is what we call as a muscle tension tayo. Kasi mabisang ka, nakajigsags na, maka, grabe, parang ganun, right? So, you take control of how you react to situations. That sometimes ganit, i-reaction tayo, ay, ala, sa patangkot tayo or what. Pero what you do now is, try to ipatangkutimay sa mga part and then i-release mo on your own. Okay? Sige. Una na tayo, sige. I'd like you to sit down comfortably because what you do is this. Okay? So, now practice the inhale, exhale. Okay? Inhale and then exhale. Okay? This is how you are going to take control of the reactions towards tension feelings. So as you inhale and exhale, okay, put your focus on your dua nga sakat. Dito tus. Right? Yan. Try to i-curl yung ay nga pa. Patangkol yung ganon. Slowly lang. Yung bigla-bigla. Baka tumangkol nga. Okay? Alright. Sige, slowly and then afterwards, release the tension to become relax. Okay? And then, ingat tayo, Jay. Jay, focus tayo. Ito yung calm. Okay? Yan. Try mo nga. I-extend. Okay? And then, i-release mo. But concentrate on your feeling, on your breathing and exhaling. Okay? And then, towards the knees. The knees mo, medyo i-tension yun. Basta yun. And then, release. Okay. And then, ito'y, torso. Torso. Okay? Try to, patanggalin yung basit. Ready? Go! And then, release. Okay? Now, what is that? You are actually training yourself, right? To respond in a way na kontrolado dijay situation. You are controlling your responses. Okay? Kasi bahinday tayo, you know. Ganay, ito pa, ima. Then, why am I teaching you this? Because at that time, nga uri na yung big makasayla. So what you do is, sige, relax. Go along with me. Di ba? May kasi kati mangiba ka kasi yung, man, ate, relax. Go along with me. So at least, amoy how you handle this situation with them. Ganon. Karo just, grabe ni sangit na. May ganon. Okay? Sige, breathe in, breathe out. Bago tayo patuloy. Ganon. Okay? Yeah. So, that's how it is. And of course, other exercises just like walking. Yeah? Walking. Siya, ikay ito habit ka walking. Why? Because when you walk, aside from ano di makikita, ano ba yung masabat mo? Yeah? Oo. Kailangan mo, ada yung lumang mga. Hindi ka na. But you can do some other exercises. Okay? Yeah. Alright. Now, this as lumagisag yeah, actually. Okay? And you can find. That's actually emotional self-care. There's an exercise, and if lumabalin, kaya na ito. May sound ba ito? Or meron. Oh, follow it. No, tap mo na pa. Okay? There once was a shop that put to sea. The name of the shop was a light. The wind blew her. My boy gold. Someday the weather will be fine and bring us sugar and tea. One day when the time is done, I'll take out even gold. She's not good to me, so sure on the rest. All hands in story, take down your control. Soon may the connections is very important. Of course, no man is an island. We need one another. So, supportive relationship is crucial. Right? So, met DJ Kwan, one time, plano yun lang nga, there's what we call as sharing time, haggle time. Why? Because you are going to pour out your feelings in there. Do not, hamuha ka kumkumot. Okay? Bring it out. Okay? For others to listen. Because your feelings, your thoughts, yung malit now is normal. It is valid. It is normal. Amin tayo makarit natin kasi. Amin tayo ma-absorb tayo kasi nga feeling. And you need to bring it out to people who are ready to listen. Who are willing to listen. Tanong di pag-ibagaan gamin, di jay munta ang negative. Kung nga napapanunan na ito, mga ganun, mga nangyari. Sa balik, papanunan ito. But if you go into haggle time, okay, you accept each other's feelings, you understand each other's feelings, you get support from each other. Okay? So, connection is very important. Right? Yan. Regular interaction with peers. It provides emotional relief and enhances resilience. And of course, the two kasi nga trainings. Don't stop learning. Manong taon niya, 70. 70 ati, wow, see? And yet, he's still learning. Imagine that. Kayo, 50 pa lang, 30 pa lang. You don't like anymore to learn? O di ba, ganun yan. So, never stop learning. Ako, gusto ko talaga yung never stop learning. Now, what do all of this bring us? That means to say that we really need to know how to take care of ourselves. Yeah? Self-care is very important. Now, let us go to may sapay dito. May sapay is, ito na. You have to know who you are. Okay? There are 3 questions in life that needs to be answered very correctly. First is, who am I? Diba? The second is, why am I here? And next is, where am I going? Okay? So if you are able to answer those 3 questions, it will provide meaning to you. So, among no sino ka. So, as you go there, you have to have healthy boundaries. We are there, and our role is as carers. So, we have to clarify our role. You are there to provide support and guidance to our students. But we are not there to fix them. Okay? Antay maapan ijay nga, at magic wonder, nag-value na. Okay? They have their own journey, just like you have also your own journey. Our role there is to be there with them as they journey, and we journey with them. Okay? So, we are not there to fix them and to fix their problems. You can be a listening ear. You can be a listening ear. Kung po ni Brother Eric nga, active listening. Ada di level gamit di active listening. Ada di jay listening nga, pretending to be listening. Ada di jay kasi pretending to be listening. Gana jay active listening. So what I do whenever I have students coming in, abi ang muna na ito. They go there. I don't plan. No, pag-istoryada, I do there around na kung i-listen pa. And then, yun ang sinasabi ko palagi sa mga teachers. Paano lang, pag may makakausap ang mga estudyante sa inyo, huwag yung, sige, ito ba ka? Sige, yan, di ba ga? Habang check ka. Sige na, magsaon ka. Napay. Magsaon ka na. Cannot be. See? So, remove any barrier there. Okay? And then, try to, okay, so, yan. So, what do you want to say? Active listening yan. I think, yung training, tuloy-tuloy na training niyo, you will be able to be trained as to how you have to summarize, to paraphrase, at to keep the story going on. Lalo na nagtiyahan niya, nagsasao. Diba? Nakanya nagsasao. Yan, darami doon. What will I do with somebody who does not know what to speak? Okay? Yan, mabalo naman. Pwede natin gawin yan mamaya. You can even offer suggestions. But they are just that. They are just suggestions. Okay? Mahirap kasi kung, ako adi, kung ako ikaw, ganito ang gawin. Nung ay Jane, magangkat pa. May effective Yung hand gaya na effective kanya na. Sumublin to. Ate, sinabi mo yung gano'n na ginawa ko. Mas lalong nasira ang buhay ko. Kasalanan mo. Nada ba niya? See? So you are not there to fix them. You can offer suggestions, but that is just it. Suggestions. Okay? Suggestions. It is their journey, right? Which puts them on the driver's seat of their lives. So we have to clarify our role as carers. Right? Number 2, we have to be consistent with our session limits. So stick to the agreed upon session times. As much as possible, we have to be there before the time. Sa bali on time, came before the time. Di ba? Gusto niya. Kada teacher ko nga ako, naglaiso na. Kunanan. I come before the time. I'll demonstrate to you. No, before the time, kunanan. Before the time, di siya. No, on time, so, after the time, naladawan. You see? So set limits, set consistent session limits. Although, ijay kung kitikan pa, structured ijay. Eskulaan mo 10 o'clock, right? So, no kan, no problem. But in other occasions, mahirap yung, basta sana 10 o'clock ha? 10:01 ako kapelaan. Kasi mag-samput ka lang no 10:50, mga ganon. Which is not good. Extending sessions can lead also to your burnout. So, nung nagpas, you will come again. Kung naman niya, I will come again. I shall return. We shall return. And then when you go back again, I have returned. You see? You know, the reason why students like me very much kasi, I give them always a reason that they will wait for me the next time around. That's that. Okay? So, nung nagpas, okay, itutuloy natin next time. Abangan ang susunod na kabanata. Itutuloy. Itutuloy baga pa itutuloy ka ada ka ijay hanggang ijay. Itutuloy awan isuna ako. Awan kanto na sa public. Set consistent session limits. And then avoid over-identification. What is that? Avoid becoming emotionally entangled or taking on someone else's pain as your own. You can be empathic. Okay, when you say empathic, you put your shoes in their shoes. What if your shoes is bigger than their shoes? But yeah, it is a parang comparative na. Maki-alao ni Jeric Unana. But it does not mean you have to take the pain as your own. I have shared this to Brother Sorang. Okay? Ganito yun. Pagpunta mo doon, you are going to put your role as carer. Right? When you get out from there, you are going to remove your role and then put it on the chair, the teacher's table. Rumwar ka nga sa bali mo. You are your own already. Because when you still are carrying that role, ay na, nagdagsan yun yung ibagahan mo. Mga gano'n. See? So,ag-aawit kayo. Sumabat di dyan, ubig mo. Kamusta? Tala na nabatan mo ka. Mga gano'n. Why? Because you are putting that role. And you are holding still on that role as a carer in the school. You could have let that role lie in there. Okay? Tapno agawin ka ano, mayat mo't maaliwalas ang iyong mukha, kagaya natin. Ganun. So, this can cloud kasi your objectivity. If you over-identify with a person, it will reduce your ability to provide effective support. Okay? And contribute to emotional exhaustion and burnout. Ang bigat na nga ng sarili mo, tapos kumuha ka pa nung mabigat. See? Ayan. So how am I able to carry all of these things? Because, pag natapos na yan, iniwan ko doon, umalis naman ako, mayroon na naman ako another role. Okay? I think you all agree, we all wear many hats. When I say we all wear many hats, may sakahat kat di, may balik ka ng lola, di ba? Yun. May sakahat kat, you will become a mother. May sakahat kat, you will become a neighbor. Di ba? So we all wear different hats. It cannot be nga you wear the hats all at the same time. Nadagsan di dyan. Iso nga na rin, nadagsan di rin na tayo every now and then because nakita tayo, pinagmamay sa kaya kami na dyan. Right? Pinagmamay sa. Dapat you have to wear it at a level nga, kaya pa nga i-carry. Okay? So, their challenges are not yours. Okay? They have their own challenges kunakot. And maintaining this boundary, so ako na naka-boundary, hanggang dito lang, allows you to remain grounded and present. Okay? And then next is, have clear communication rules. Identify. Doon na pass. Akpay so, adagi ko natin yung you have your own group chat, right? Yun. Pero, you have to agree whether the group chat is 24/7. Who would want that? Sino timang kaya? J2 National Center for Mental Health. Ano kaya? 24/7. Wala. Okay? At naman, yung peso, pero agsisilog lang ka. You know? Right? Now, what I'm trying to say is, you have clear communication rules. Like, sige, whenever you have something need nga ibagayo kanya, that you can just message me, you can just text me, or what. You know? However, okay, communication outside of sessions should only be for urgent updates. You know? Di urgent lang. Ang nga DJ, alas 12 tirabi nga, ate, kumusta ka na? Ate, nangulog niya ako dito, mga gano'n. See? They can only message you for urgent needs. Ang nga DJ, matupag-chat kanya kayo. See? So set communication limits. Scheduling issues or emergencies, not for ongoing counseling or casual conversation. See? So otherwise, nakatulog, matarong ka na asawa, nakatulog ka, di anak mo, nakatulog ka asawa, tapos ada ka i-jay nga pa, kasasabay. Okay? That is if you are really, that is really your job. But you are just a care. Okay? Now, and then ito, detach from the outcome. Di ba, ibaga kanya tatay nga, what I'm trying to say is, they have their own journey. Okay? They have their own pain. We listen to them, but we cannot fix them. Okay? Why? Because we have to detach from the outcome. What I'm saying is, it is important to remember that their progress and decisions are ultimately their own. Okay? Your role is to facilitate, not dictate or change. Okay? Focus on the process of helping. Nanti ka rin magbaka ng counselors. You focus on the process of helping, not the content. The process. You focus on the content at balik ka ng Marisol, Marites. But you focus on the process. Otherwise, magbagang amin ng sikreto ka amin. Okay? Not the content. You focus on the process of helping. And let God take care of the outcome. See? Ni Apo Diyos, iti bahala iti outcome. Why? Because we are just instruments, right? They tinuti pagmenta nga, nag-Kristiyano ka ngayon, galang sa you can see it in that manner, right? So at least makita, the outcome is there. Kaya may mga kasama ako na, yung kasama kong galing sa gusto na nilang mag-retire. Sabi ko, huwag mo na. Kasi pagod na daw sila. They haven't realized that the outcome has to be given to the Lord. Okay? So, ayan. Self-care timeline natin. Daily, incorporate mindfulness. Breathing, exercises, hobbies, and things that will benefit your body such that it will not be too heavy on your end. And then weekly, pwede? Weekly kasi sinasabi ko kasi, siyempre every Sunday yan. But if you have a weekly schedule, would be even nice. Engage in peer support sessions weekly to share experiences, foster connection, and prevent feelings of isolation among volunteers. And then monthly, wag kang don't sit on your laurels. Evaluate and adjust your nutrition monthly to ensure a balanced diet. Okay? Supporting overall health and energy for caregiving costs. Right? Natapos na natin yan. Okay? So, and as we move further, building connections is important also. Okay? I think napas ko na yun. Alright? So, very, very important concept that at one point in time, do not stop learning. May mga pagbabago. The generation yesterday is another generation for today. Sukat-sukat. Do not compare your generation with their generation no minsan. Kasi niya, nagligat niya yung hadang maawatan niya, kakapsat, di bagada na, amoy na kami idi. Na kayo idi ah. O, wala na. Sa balik na doon. Wala na. Now, in group facilitation, before I forget, in group facilitation, ada din ko natin yung handa nga si Kati mag-group, right? Ada din yung main facilitator, di ba? Or main person who is going to handle the fund. Kayo, ikaw naman na, co-faci, okay? Ikaw yung shadow, okay? Yun sinasabi ko sa mga kakasal. Na kayo nga best man, kid groomsmen, kayo nga decoration. Ada yung part nyo, i-join. Nung makita yung maawawan ni Jay Singsing, tumaray kayo na kayo. Nakatakdol lang ito nga, nakapost and all of those things. You're more important than